Alright, y'all. Y'all see I'm back at it again. Look what I got on the menu today. Oh, yeah. Got some nice cinnamon rolls. Check them out. Yeah, they look delicious, don't they? Yes, look at them. Oh, yeah. Let me come back off it. There we go. Yeah. They all look delicious, y'all. So I had to bring that to y'all today. That's what I'm doing. Nice cinnamon rolls. Yes. Alright, that's all I'm doing today on this video, y'all. So, you know what I say. Don't forget to like it. Alright, tell me what you think. I want to hear. I want to know. But okay, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. So, check it out. There we go. Nice cinnamon rolls. Alright, y'all. I'll be good. Be safe out there. Take care, everybody. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.